Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to secure your Slack account settings in 2026. Many users ignore security settings until something goes wrong, and that can lead to hacked accounts or data leaks. First, start with a strong password. Go to Slack account settings and create a unique, strong password. Never reuse your email or social media passwords for Slack. Step 2, enable two-factor authentication. Turn on 2FA using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. This adds an extra layer of protection even if your password is compromised. Step 3, review active sessions. Check signed-in devices and log out of any session you don't recognize. This instantly removes unauthorized access. Step 4, secure your email address. Slack security depends on your email security too. Make sure your email has a strong password and 2FA enabled. Step 5, review connected apps and integrations. Remove any app you don't use or don't recognize. Unnecessary apps can become security risks. Step 6, watch for phishing attempts. Never click suspicious links or download unknown files inside Slack. Attackers often use fake messages to steal credentials. Finally, keep Slack updated. Updates include important security fixes. Always use the latest version on desktop and mobile. So yeah, securing your Slack account means strong passwords, 2FA session control, app review, and safe behavior. Follow these steps and keep your workspace protected. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.